Hello everyone, my name is Nelson. I am 27 years old. I'm from Cartagena, and my occupation right now is to be a student. I'm studying system engineer and UNAT. In my free time, I like listen to music, watch series in Netflix, and do exercise and practice sport. For example, soccer and tennis. I consider this very important practice any sport because it's important for to get a good health and physical condition. And to the different place in Cartagena. In, for example, the clock tower and Boca Grande Bridge is very common. The people usually come to visit that place because it's very wonderful. That place can take a picture and collection good memories in that place in Cartagena. And the foods and typical is the fish and its arepa. For example, in Cartagena, it's very common that in February the festival Fridays when different foods typical, for example, carimañola, arepa, and arepa, which are common fruit in that festival. And the fish is when you go to beach and it's common the people eat patacon, rice, and fish is the principal food. In Cartagena, there are different celebrations. For example, in March, between April, is the holiday week for Catholic. In general go to eat and candy festival. There are typical foods, for example, candy mango and candy arequipe is very delicious. I invite some friends in other country. It's very if they enjoy that candy. So, and finally, in November, is the independence of Cartagena when the people will like the party and celebration. It's only a week when the people like and make party and listen to music in whatever place in neighbors. It's very important meet the culture in Cartagena. Oh, I like it, my city. And well, this was my presentation. I hope that enjoy my presentation. Thank you.